And we're back, guys, and this is CJ Disa, and today we have a glue now. Finally, we finished the Cebu Pacific Airbus A330-900NEO. So look, guys, we have a glue right now. Look, we have a hot glue. It's a glue applicator, hot melt and dolphin. Okay, guys, and we have also glue sticks, but I have there. Meron pa sila, guys. We have a glue stick. Meron pa. Kakabili lang yan last Christmas yung glue stick. Ito pa. Oh, at meron, and we see here the switch button while plugging this saksakan. Yun. So let's start it now and let's make it and finish it. Okay, let's continue now and we'll finish it. Yay! So there. And finally, we finished the finished product of Cebu Pacific Airbus A330-900NEO. So this is the first model that I made.